It is a very exciting time for us at the moment. AFM has been a buzzing week.
It really has.
We've got lots of events and festivals running at the moment, so let's look ahead to the 2 weeks.
Lift Off Global Network, launching your filmmaking career. To catch all of our latest content, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification icon.
So starting with Paris Liftoff Film Festival, the network round is now live and available on the Members Hub. So if you're a member, head on over and watch the films that made it through. This is really interesting because the votes that you give and the comments will also be sent to the filmmakers. So it's an amazing insight for them to know your thoughts.
The Liftoff Film Festival is live for 1 week on Vimeo On Demand until next Monday, and then Melbourne will be going live for the next week.
And AFM. So AFM has been taking place all of last week and we've been interviewing a lot of sale agents and distributors. Our findings and recordings will be available on the Network Hub and exclusively for our intermediate and professional members. There are lots of incredible insights here, so do check out those interviews.
The Liftoff sessions will be live next week, followed by the First Time Filmmaker sessions, and invites for the December edition will be heading out shortly.
And the final deadline for London Liftoff Film Festival is this week, so notifications will be sent out shortly.
Wow, final festival of the year.
Final festival of the year, that is the 11 city circuit almost complete. And then it's on to the season awards.
Very cool.
Very, very cool.
Have a great few weeks, everybody.
Bye-bye.